For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Fears of a second outbreak of COVID-19 have gripped China. Beijing saw a second outbreak of COVID-19 in the first week of June. However, Beijing on Tuesday reported zero COVID-19 cases for the first time in 26 days. This is the first time Beijing reported no cases since the emergence of a cluster in the Chinese capital. Beijing's Health Commission said it reported only one asymptomatic case on Monday. A total of 335 people have been infected in Beijing, all from the Xinfadi wholesale market cluster. The Beijing government has tested more than 11 million people for COVID-19 from June 11th, roughly half the city's population. During the Beijing outbreak, several people were tested whenever an infection was found in their midst. Beijing's strict lockdown measures has helped the capital city curb the spread of the virus to a large extent. Beijing authorities have taken strictest of measures to ensure lockdown norms are not violated. Beijing and Hubei province saw the kind of lockdown that was imposed in Wuhan during the first wave of the pandemic. Beijing authorities locked down apartment blocks and house compounds close to Xinfadi market. Schools, restaurants and other public spaces were shut. In these high-risk zones, only one member per household was allowed to leave to purchase necessities. Recent data suggests that Beijing has so far reported 919 COVID-19 cases, of which 586 have recovered from the disease. 9 people in Beijing have succumbed to the virus. The remaining patients are currently undergoing treatment. On July 3rd, Hubei province did not report a single case of COVID-19. The central Chinese province reported zero infections, zero asymptomatic cases, and no suspected COVID-19 cases. Hubei province cleared all infections on June 4th and all asymptomatic cases on July 3rd. Hubei province recorded 68,135 COVID-19 cases since the outbreak of the disease. Out of them, 63,623 patients were discharged from hospitals. Hubei province reported 4,512 COVID-19 related deaths. Hubei province is the hardest hit due to COVID-19 in China. Here's a list of top 5 cities in China majorly affected due to COVID-19 outbreak. These are the top 5 cities in China majorly affected due to the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic. Hubei has reported a majority of the infections in China with 68,135 COVID-19 cases. Second in the list is Guangdong province that recorded 1,641 cases. Third in the list is Henan with 1,276 infections in the city. Zhejiang, on the other hand, has so far reported 1,269 COVID-19 cases. Hunan is the 5th most affected city in China with 1,019 COVID-19 cases. The aggressive measures taken by the Chinese government reflect the challenges to avert the spread of infections during this second outbreak. Chinese epidemiologists believe COVID-19 cases will be reduced to zero soon. However, experts have not confirmed whether a second wave of infection has hit China or not.